Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Specific antidote of snake venom. Polyvalent anti-snake venom is effective against cobra, krait, vipers, or both. Anti-snake venom has to be given within 4 hours. After 4 hours, the efficacy is less, and after 24 hours, the efficacy is negligible. One vial of anti-snake venom neutralizes 6 milligrams venom of cobra and Russell's and two and cobra and Russell's. So one vial of anti-snake venom will neutralize 6 milligrams venom of cobra and Russell's viper, whereas it neutralizes 4.5 milligrams venom of krait and saw-scaled viper. Preparation: venom of these four snakes is injected into the horse. That is, hyperimmunization of horse is done. Then the serum of that horse is obtained and it is lyophilized or freeze dried into a powder. The shelf life of anti-snake venom is 5 years. Anti-snake venom is produced in India in 4 centers. One Hafkine's Institute in Mumbai, Serum Institute in Pune, King's Institute in Chennai, and Central Research Institute in Kasauli.
thank you and thank you for watching.